In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up newsletter to Squarespace, which is a fantastic way to engage visitors and grow your subscriber list. Let's get started, starting with the basics. First, you'll want to navigate over to Elfsight Apps. Elfsight is a powerful platform that offers a wide array of widgets that can enhance your website's functionality and design. Once you're on the Elfsight website, look for the option labeled Widgets and click on it. This will take you to a variety of widget options that Elfsight provides, specifically designed to improve visitor interaction on your site. In the search field provided, type Pop-up. Doing this will help filter the options to show only pop-up related widgets, streamlining your selection process. Select the pop-up option from the list of results. This step will guide you to more specific tools and settings related to creating a newsletter pop-up. Next, you need to click on Create Widget for free. This will enable you to start your design without any initial costs, offering a practical way to experiment with the features. Choose the template that suits your style and needs from the available options, then click Continue with this template. It's important to pick a template that aligns well with your website's aesthetic and effectively communicates your message to visitors. Once you've settled on a template, you'll see an option to Add to Website for free. By selecting this, you'll be preparing your widget for implementation on your Squarespace site. The next essential action is to publish your widget. Publishing is a crucial step as it saves your settings and readies your widget for embedding. Then you can click on Select under the free pricing plan. Selecting this option will direct you to the functionality where you can obtain your embed code without any charges. Copy the embed code that is provided. This code is what you'll be adding to your Squarespace website to allow your new pop-up to function smoothly. Now, let's head over to the Squarespace website editor. Locate the option to add a block to your page and click on that. Blocks in Squarespace are the building blocks of your content, allowing you to add different types of content elements. Choose Embed from the block options. This choice will open up a dialog where you can manage and enter specific code elements. Go ahead and click on Edit within this embed block. From there, click on Code Snippet, which provides a space for inserting external code. Enter the code you copied from Elfsight into the section labeled Embed Data. This is the critical juncture where your pop-up code gets integrated into your website. Finally, click Save to ensure all your changes are applied and stored. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site should now feature your newly added pop-up newsletter, enhancing visitor interaction and engagement. Enjoy your boosted subscriber potential.